Hi children, welcome once again. This is one of the interesting question from pair of linear equation in two variables. Question number 4th in exercise 4.1. Listen carefully this question. The taxi charges in Hyderabad are fixed along with the charge for the distance covered up to first 3 kilometers. You will be charged a certain minimum amount. From there onwards, you have to pay additionally for every kilometer travelled. For the first 10 kilometers, the charge paid is 166 rupees. For a journey of 15 kilometers, the charge paid rupees 256. What are the fixed charges and charge per kilometer? How much does a person have to pay for traveling a distance of 25 kilometers? Have you understood none of this question? Once see the question. The tax charges in Hyderabad, he is taking as how means up to first 3 kilometers he will be charged a certain minimum amount. He has to take up to 3 kilometers. If you go 1 kilometer, you have to take the one fixed charge. 1 kilometer, 2 kilometer, up to 3 kilometers is a fixed charge. After 3 kilometers, he has to take additionally per every kilometer, and that amount is different. That additional charge is different per kilometer. Is it clear? First 3 kilometers a fixed charge. After 3 kilometers he has to take some amount for every kilometer. That is also one of the fixed amount for every kilometer. Right. So here first condition, the person first he travelled to 10 kilometers, he paid 166 rupees. For this situation, we have to make them as one linear equation. Okay, in two variables. Here, if for a journey of 15 kilometers, the charge paid 256. From this, we have to make them as one of the linear equation. From these two linear equations, you solve them and you find out the variables. What are the variables? The variables are, one is the fixed charge and another one is the charge per kilometer. That is after 3 kilometers. Then after we have to find out one of the problem. That is, the person traveled 25 kilometers, then how much he has to pay. This is the question, Nana. Ready to find out the solution. Okay, Nana, ready? Okay, Nana, say the solution. First I am assuming as let the charge, let the fixed charge for first 3 kilometers. How much is charge? We don't know. That is, I am assuming as X rupees for the first 3 kilometers. Then next, and the charge for next every subsequent kilometer. Subsequent additional kilometer. Per kilometer charge is Y rupees. Is that clear, Nana? First 3 kilometers we have to take X rupees. After 3 kilometers, per every kilometer we have to take Y rupees. This is the given information. And the given first one condition is that, okay, Nana, he given 160 rupees, 6 rupees, he paid 160 rupees for 10 kilometers. First 10 kilometers, he paid as 166 rupees. From this information, how can we make them as equation? Okay, listen here. total 10 kilometers nana. In this 10 kilometers, first 3 kilometers he has to take x rupees, so that x rupees plus the remaining kilometers, how many? For 3 kilometers x charge is, x is the charged amount. The remaining kilometers are only 7 kilometers. That's why 10 minus 3 into, for them he is going to take y rupees. That is equal to total amount is 166. Is it understand Nana? Listen carefully Nana. Yeah? Total 10 kilometers. In this 10 kilometers, first 3 kilometers he is taking x rupees. The remaining is how much? 10 minus 3, that is 7 kilometers. For the 7 kilometers, per kilometer he is going to charge y rupees. So 10 minus 3 into y. The total amount he paid as 166 rupees. Is it clear for all once you check? Right. Okay. Now, first this is, we have to make them as simplification. X means x. 10 into y, 10y sir, minus 3y is equal to 166. Okay, x plus 7y is equal to 166. This is be treated as the first equation. Is it clear for all? Right. See the second information given, sir. See the next condition here. For a journey of 15 kilometers, he charged us to 56 rupees. So for this, same to same like this only, total 15 kilometers. In this 15 kilometers, first 3 kilometers, he has to pay x rupees. Okay, clear? X rupees plus the remaining kilometers means 15 minus 3. Remaining kilometers are 15 minus 3 into charging y rupees, that is equal to 256. Is it clear now? So that x plus 15y minus 3y is equal to 256. So next we have to write as x plus 15y minus 3y, we get 12y is equal to 256. This is the second equation. Yeah, first equation is x plus 7y is equal to 16. Have you understood clearly? Check once. Okay. Here we got two linear equations. These two linear equations we are going to solve by the help of elimination method. Example, subtract second or first from second. Okay, your second equation is x plus 12y is equal to 256. Down you write as x plus 7y is equal to 166. If we subtract means symbols will be changed. This is minus, this is also minus, this is also minus. Because your pluses are there, that's why they kept here minus symbols. Alright. The plus x minus x cancel. Here 12y minus 7y we get how much then? 5y is equal. Okay, sir. You will make the subject of y. That y is equal to 90 by 5. 5 ones are 5 18s are. Okay, we got y is equal to 18. This you substitute into equation number, example first equation. Substitute in first equation. Your first equation is what, sir? X plus 7y is equal to 166. At the place of y, we have to substitute as 18. So x plus 7 18s are, that is 126 is equal to 166. So x is equal to 166 and minus 126, x is equal to 40. 40 rupees. Means x is equal to 40. Means what we understand now? This is x means what? fixed charge. X means fixed charge for 3 kilometers. Yeah, fixed charge. Fixed charge is equal to, we have to write 40 rupees and per kilometer charge is equal to y rupees, that is 18 rupees. Is that clear now? This is asking the first question in that, and the second one is asking to find what is the charge for 25 kilometers. Charge for 25 kilometers. This is asking now. Then how to make the equation for 25? In this 25, first 3 kilometers charging is X rupees. The remaining in that what is the remaining kilometers? 22 kilometers. For the 22 kilometers, we have to take y rupees. Is it clear? In that 25, first 3 kilometers we are taking X charge, and the remaining 22 into y per kilometer. Right. X means we got 40 rupees plus 22 into y means y charge for y means 18 rupees. So 40 plus 22 18s are, that is 396. Clear then? So when I add this, we get 6, 3 and 4. 436 rupees for charge of 25 kilometers. Is it clear for all? Right now.